game I like to call chest slash. You stand back. You allow me to slash the chest. Nice try.
No, I got you, dude.
Toast's armor.
Dude.
Toast's armor. Okay. There you are, son of Skywalker. I suspected you betrayed me. But Joseph's battle-weaving shirt and pants. I'll admit the blow you delivered to my arm stings like a bitch.
Yeah, well, you don't realize is that this lightsaber is special. It's cut through Cortosis armor before. It can do it again.
It takes a heavy strike.
Yeah, well, you
Please.
haven't seen me at my strongest. No one has, because no one's ever lived to tell the tale.
Let's just see if that's true. Nice try. Anger deceives you!
Who said I'm angry? I'm actually enjoying this.